There are hidden settings enabled by default on Google and YouTube that can limit your ability to view adult content in search results and recommendations. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn them off so you can view more adult content on both platforms.
Open Google and tap your profile icon top right corner. Scroll down and select Save Search. By default, it's set to blur or filter, which can limit or hide adult content from appearing in your search result. To be able to watch adult content, you need to change it to off, and you will start seeing adult content in your search results so that you'll be able to watch it. Close the Google app, open YouTube, and tap your profile icon bottom right corner. Go to Settings and select General. Scroll down to Restricted Mode. By default, this settings is turned on by YouTube, which can hide adult content from your search result and in your recommendation feed. To be able to watch adult content on YouTube, you need to turn this off. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.